Welcome to Health Harmony Hub, where we guide you on your journey to optimal fitness. Today, we present 10 essential tips to help you achieve and maintain a fit and healthy lifestyle. Let's get into it. 1. Set clear fitness goals. Begin by defining your fitness goals. Whether it's weight loss, muscle gain, or overall well-being, having clear objectives will guide your fitness journey and keep you motivated. 2. Find enjoyable activities. Make fitness fun by engaging in activities you enjoy. Whether it's dancing, hiking, or playing a sport, finding joy in your workouts increases adherence and makes staying fit a lifelong habit. 3. Prioritize consistency over intensity. Consistency is the key to success. Focus on building a sustainable exercise routine rather than pushing yourself too hard. Regular, moderate exercise is more beneficial in the long run. 4. Mix cardio and strength training. Balance is key. Combine cardiovascular exercises, like running or cycling, with strength training to enhance overall fitness. This combination improves endurance, strength, and flexibility. 5. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's signals. Rest when needed, and don't ignore signs of fatigue or injury. Proper recovery is as crucial as the workout itself for long-term fitness. 6. Stay hydrated and eat well. Hydration and nutrition are vital components of fitness. Drink plenty of water and fuel your body with a balanced diet rich in nutrients. Quality nutrition supports your energy levels and recovery. 7. Incorporate flexibility training. Don't forget flexibility. Include stretching or yoga in your routine to improve flexibility, prevent injuries, and enhance overall mobility. Flexibility training complements other forms of exercise. 8. Get adequate sleep. Rest is a powerful ally in your fitness journey. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep is when your body repairs and strengthens, crucial for optimal fitness. 9. Vary your routine. Keep your workouts interesting by varying your routine. Change exercises, try new classes, or explore different fitness modalities to challenge your body and prevent workout boredom. 10. Celebrate progress, big or small. Celebrate your achievements along the way. Whether it's a personal best, completing a challenging workout, or consistency in your routine, acknowledging your progress keeps you motivated. Congratulations on embarking on your fitness journey. For more tips on achieving a balanced and healthy lifestyle, subscribe to Health Harmony Hub. Until next time, stay fit and thrive.